What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy Corey T, and I just want to come in, check in real quick. This probably be the shortest video I ever do. But I do want to show you guys something. I do keep you guys up with the portfolio, so it's only right that I show you what's really going on. So let's get right into it. Right now, you see that big number, 28.59. I have invested a total of $2,500, and I'm up $329.20, excuse me. So while I'm up so much, and I told you this thing can change in the blink of a day, hour, minute, month, week, year. It could change. So you got to watch it. You got to be on it. As you see, my water drop is doing numbers. I'm $500 up, y'all. So I invested $12.55, total gain of $510, up to $17.66. Man, listen, you can make money off of this. Like, this is no joke. I put this disclaimer out there for every single video. No, I do not drop this large amount at one time. I put in here, I put in here, I put in here. I do want to hit on the fact that I do like to choose the stocks that are, cheaper in a sense, because I want to say it like this. Stock like, let's go to Amazon. Amazon stock price used to be like $1,000, and then they did a split, and then it just kind of dropped from there. They were at what, 170 something at max, and that was about last year, and now they down. So they did a split to make it affordable. Go to the stocks that are fairly new and that are fairly affordable. I'm not a financial advisor. That's just something that I did, and that's how I found water drop. So when people say, well, how did you find out about water drop? How did you get to this water drop? I seen your old videos. How did this come about? Honestly, I just took a chance and I put in where I thought was best. In this case, it was not necessarily put in where I thought was best. It was more so putting in to get to a certain goal. My goal is still 1,000 shares. Right now I'm at 800 and I'm already up $500. So go figure. Like I said, it's going to go up. It's going to go down. Will it be at 510 tomorrow? Probably not. But I'm going to stick it out. I'm going to ride the wave. Hopefully it can continue to go up. That's all I'm going to say. But like I said, I just want to come on here and show you guys that you can make money from it if you do it right. Don't be scared to invest in yourself. And with time, you got to have patience. I invested in this probably 9 months ago. I can even add in the clip, or I can take you back to my first water drop video, because I did a whole kind of like a whole review. So I just wanted to, come on here, show you guys that it's possible, and I could be down 1 minute, a negative $100, and I could be up the next minute or the next day, in a sense, the next day or two, and I could be up 500. So with that being said, it's proof. I could cash out right now. Am I going to cash out? Let's see what it do. Why not? I'm really not too like, oh, I got $500. Let me just snatch it out real quick. It's just amazing because it's the biggest amount that I have had thus far at the end of a open market day. Because I have hit like, I've hit maybe $100 and $130, and I was like, oh, I should just cash out, or at the end of the day, I should say. But right now it's at 510. I can sell it all right now, and it'll cash me out in the morning. But why not? I'm just go ahead and ride the wave and see what a drop do for me. Y'all probably looking like, oh man, I'm gonna go invest in water drop. I'm not necessarily saying go do that, but check it out, man. You put in, I put in, you put in, I put in, you put in, I put in. It take it straight to the top. But other than that, just keep on keeping up with the profile. I want to say thank you guys. And yeah, we at 700 subscribers. It's just working out for you, boy. Subscribers going up. One of my stocks going up. And yeah, we're just gonna rock out. So once again, I just want to come on here and show you guys that it's possible. Stick to it. You can do it. And what else I got? Yeah, you don't have to have a lot of money to get like started. Just start somewhere and have a goal. Hey, I want 10 shares by the end of the month. Hey, I want 20 shares by the end of the month. Just set goals and just work with it. Just work with it. If you got any questions or you want to know, more in depth on how I really got to this particular point, check out the videos and leave comments in the comment section, and I will be sure to get back to it. And once again, it go up and go down, I'm going to be back showing y'all what else it does. So, with that being said, thank you. This is Corey C. Appreciate it.